If you want to add a widget to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then you need to simply press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen so that you are in this edit mode. And then we can go to widgets at the bottom. First, you will see some example widgets that you can immediately use. However, you can also scroll down in order to find the list of apps with widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose maps. Maybe not maps, maybe something else actually. Maybe let's go to notes. And then over here we have some options, some different widgets. So now we can, for example, tap on the widget in order to immediately add it to the first available spot in the home screen, or you can press and hold on the widget and after a second you will be redirected to the home screen and you can drop the widget anywhere you wish it to be. There we go. And this is how it works. You can also create something called stacks. So if you press and hold your finger on the widget, then you have the option to create a stack, which allows you to add another widget that will be in the same place, as long as the size of that widget is the same as the one that you already have. So in this case, I need to use 4x2 widget. So let's try to find something. There we go. Over here we have another one. So I can just tap on it and press add. Let's see. There we go. Now we can swipe in between these different widgets. And all of them are in the same place. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!